What is in your cleaning kits for your clients? Well, you know, with the COVID-19 running rapid in so many states, you know, it's a big issue. So, you know, one of the things that we can do for our clients is that we can actually set up some cleaning kits for them. And, you know, the whole reason you're doing this is that you're trying to keep everybody safe, you know, so we can really enhance the cleaning for health. So we do that by having these cleaning kits. So there's a couple of different ways you can do these kits. You can actually have a box of some sort that has all of the essential tools that you need, and or you can have actual stations that are on a pedestal. Either one's fine, but you know, the whole thing is that you should be having this conversation with your clients. You can either do two things. You can either sell it to them outright, sell the kits to them, you know, so they have them for their facilities, and or you can just build that into your service as a loyalty relationship builder type thing. So either way is great. But in these kits, what you want to do is that you want to have some hand sanitizer, you want to have some wipes, disinfectant and sanitary wipes, some paper towels, some gloves, you know, disposable gloves, and then some moisturizing lotion would be great, you know, because in some of these kits you'll actually have some alcohol wipes too. So the sanitizer, hand sanitizer and alcohol wipes, you know, they just dry out the skin, so it's great to have some moisturizing lotion in there too. But that's what you'd probably want to have in these kits. So when you put these together, maybe the thing to do is to buy this stuff in bulk. You know, just buy your hand sanitizer and gloves and different things like that in bulk. And in some cases, you know, for some of these stations, you may even have an actual 32-ounce spray bottle that's full of solution. And in that case, what you do is you just refill it every day. You know, a good thing that we would always do is that we would have that bottle in our station, but then in the janitor's closet we would already have bottles ready just to replace it. So if for whatever reason, let's say they used up the entire spray bottle of solution during the day, you know, an office manager can go into the janitor's closet and grab another bottle and restock it for us, and that works out great. But that's what you want to do. Give it some thought. Talk to your clients, and like I say, the great thing about this is that their employees will be cleaning their own space, which is very important. You know, we want to make sure we get the desktops, the keyboards, any touch points within their workspace. That's what we want them to do. Arms of the chairs, you know, things like that. So if we're doing that, you know, chances are that we can really keep the level down on some of this bacteria and viruses that are in the office by just doing a higher level cleaning, you know, cleaning for health. So hopefully you found this helpful and it gave you some ideas. If it did, you know, give me some comments down below. I'd like to hear from you. And as usual, you know, thanks for checking in today, and we'll definitely see you next time.